Hello there everyone. It's time for Hearts and Crafts with Anna. I'm Anna. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you've visited before, it's so good to see you again. On this channel, we share shopping hauls, create budget-friendly DIYs, and home decor. In today's video, I'm participating in the monthly Twine It Up Challenge hosted by Fanny at Creations by Favi, and her co-host this month is Annalie at Annalie Ashby DIYs. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, because it really helps my channel to grow, and hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video and you don't miss out on any of the upcoming fun. Now let's head on over to my craft room. Let's go see how I used how I used twine in my DIYs today. Come on, let's go. You know the way. Bring your coffee. Let's go do it. Vámonos. For DIY number 1, I used 2.5 sheets of this adhesive cork, some scrap pieces of burlap, a Mickey Mouse cardboard cutout that I made myself, some nautical rope in the brown and the white, some white cotton twine, and some jute twine. The first thing I did was cut out the adhesive cork sheet to use as the backing for my Mickey Mouse cardboard. It already looks cute, and this is just the back, but who doesn't love Mickey? I did the same thing with the burlap, applying it to the front of the cardboard using plain old school glue. This Mickey's going to have a little bit of beachy, some nautical, boho, and a hint of farmhouse. Here's the farmhouse. Next up, nautical and boho. I'm wrapping the end of the brown nautical rope with white cotton twine, giving Mickey that boho vibe. I attached the brown nautical rope around the outside edge of the Mickey Mouse cutout, wrapping it with the white cotton twine at about every 5 or 6 inches. Once I finished wrapping the outside edge of the cardboard cutout, I added 2 more layers of the brown nautical rope, offsetting the white cotton twine in each row. After completing 3 rows of the brown nautical rope, I switched over and did 2 rows of the white nautical rope, wrapping it with the jute twine. Once those 2 rows were done, I did 1 more row of the brown nautical rope with the white cotton twine. So this DIY is a double challenge. A couple of weeks ago, my daughter sent me a screenshot of a Mickey Mouse basket that she saw. I'm not sure if it was on Pinterest or Instagram, but she sent me that screenshot and said that it might be a good idea for me to recreate this on my channel. And so I responded, of course I will, but I'm going to do it my way. And right around that time, Fanny from Creations by Favi posted the date for her monthly Twine It Up challenge, and I immediately knew that I would be making this basket for this challenge. So child, if you're watching, comment below, let me know, did Mama hit the mark? Next, I used some jute twine as a border around the seams of the inside of the basket. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss the reveal. For this DIY, you're going to need 1 crescent moon cutout. I cut this one out of a scrap piece of cardboard. Some yarn from a Dollar Tree mop, some cotton twine, and some pearls. These are also from the Dollar Tree. I started by wrapping the yarn around the crescent moon cutout, randomly adding glue to hold the yarn in place. You kind of have to be careful with this yarn. It likes to stick to the outside edges or to the edges of the cardboard. See, you see what I mean? It gets stuck on there. But it would probably help if I didn't fling it around so much. Ooh, pretty. That's mesmerizing. Next, I took 3 pieces of the cotton twine and tied them to the top point of the crescent moon. I left them hanging there for a bit, didn't do anything with them yet, but we'll come back to that. I attached the pearls to the crescent side of the moon, then I went ahead and strung the pearls onto the hanging strands of the cotton twine using hot glue to keep the pearls in place. Oh, so dangly. Next, I added some pearls to the outside edge of the moon. Next, I cut about 40 12-inch strips of the cotton twine and taped it down with some of the blue masking tape in an attempt to glue all of them onto the back side of the moon at one time. Here's my attempt. Next, I made 5 mini tassels using the cotton twine. I attached a large pearl and a small pearl through the top of the tassel. Next, I cut 2 10-inch strips of twine, 2 8-inch strips of twine, and 1 6-inch strip of twine. And I attached those strips of twine to the tassels. Then I attached the longer 10-inch strips on the outside edges of the moon, and then the 2 8-inch strips next to those, and the small 6-inch strip down the middle. You'll see what I mean in a minute. So pretty and surprisingly soft. The reveal is coming up next. Oh my goodness, everyone, look how beautiful this turned out. It measures 13 inches from the tip of his ear to his chinny chin chin. I want to take this minute to thank our host for this Twine It Up challenge, Fanny from Creations by Favi, and her co-host Annalie from Annalie Ashby DIYs. Their channels, along with the Twine It Up challenge playlist, are linked in the description below. And then we have this beautiful crescent moon made using the Dollar Tree mop head. That gray and white is perfect for this crescent moon. If you haven't seen the love sign that I made using this yarn or this Dollar Tree mop, I'll link that video in the description below. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!